Did you know your BYD Atto 3 can have a hidden storage space in the front? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install the BYD Atto 3 Frunk, also known as the front trunk, so you can make the most out of your EV. The Frunk is perfect for storing small bags, charging cables, emergency tools, or anything you want to keep out of sight. It keeps your boot area clean, organized, and clutter-free. And the best part, it's completely weather-resistant, protecting your belongings from dust and moisture. Ease of installation. Installing the BYD Atto 3 Frunk is easier than you think. You don't need any drilling or complex tools. It's a quick, do-it-yourself upgrade that adds real value to your vehicle. With the Frunk, you can free up your main cargo area for larger items while using the front space for everyday essentials. Whether it's a road trip, your daily commute, or just keeping things tidy, this accessory makes your Atto 3 even more practical and functional. It's one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference in how you use and enjoy your EV. So, watch closely as we take you through the entire installation process, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll see just how simple it is to give your BYD Atto 3 the extra storage you've always wanted. Subscribe to BYD Insider for more installs, reviews, and smart BYD accessories. Let's gear up BYD style.